Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammad Amerli and today we are going to discuss the topic K-mean clustering using Python. First of all, the clustering definition. Clustering is the process of dividing the entire data into groups, also known as clusters, based on the patterns in the data. It is an unsupervised machine learning technique used to identify clusters of data objects in a dataset. It is also used for the classification of data. Now we will discuss the K-mean clustering algorithm. Step 1. Select k random points as cluster centers called centroids. Step 2. Assign each data point to the closest cluster by calculating its distance with respect to each centroid. Step 3. Determine the new cluster center by computing the average of the assigned points. Step 4. Repeat step 2 and step 3 until none of the cluster assignments change. And here is the formula to find the square distance between each member of the cluster and its centroid. Now we'll discuss the code for the K-mean clustering and implement the K-mean clustering algorithm. Here is the dataset in the line 1, and in the line 2 we are importing the library of random, and in line 3 we are importing the library of main. In the line 4 we are using the cluster1 variable to select the random number from dataset, and in step 5 we are repeating the same step, and this time we are storing the random number from dataset in the cluster2 variable. In line number 6 we are we are storing the value of flag 1. Here we are using the loop while loop until f is equal to the loop will be continue. If cluster 1 less than cluster 2, flag will be false and the loop will be break. Else cluster 1 will the random number from the data set will be stored in cluster 1 variable and cluster 2 variable. In line number 14 we are printing the data set. Now we set the flag 0 and the value of n 1, and we get the 4 variables and count 1 o count 1 and count 2 and o count 2 is equal to 0. Here we are again using the while loop, and it will continue run until the loop will be 0. In line number 23 we get the list group 1, and in line number 24 we get the list group 2 and continue t1 list and t2 list. Here we are using the for loop, and the for loop will continue to run until the length of the dataset. In the line number 30 we will find the absolute positive value and append in the group 1 list, and in the line number 31 we will find the absolute positive value and append into the group 2 list. In line number 32 we are again using the for loop until the length of the dataset. If group 1 variable is less than group 2 variable, then it will append the value into the t1 list, else it will append the value of dataset into t2 list. From line number 37 to 41 we are printing the clusters and groups. In line number 42 we get the length of the group 1 and group 2 into n count 1 variable and n count 2 variable. If n count 1 is equal to o count 1 and n count 2 is equal to o count 2, flag will be set to 1 and it will break. Otherwise n will be increasing, and in the cluster 1 variable the sum of t1 value and divided by the length of t1 value, and it will round off the output, and this is our output. Thank you.